If you have not subscribed my channel till now, please subscribe my channel and also click on the bell button so that you won't miss any important notifications from my channel. Hello guys, welcome to my channel. Today I am going to show you how to develop a calculator in Android Studio. So now let's get started. So today I am going to teach you the basics of developing the calculator in Android Studio. That is the first part 1 about creating the calculator. So I have Android Studio over here in my PC already installed. You can download it from the Google or any other website or the other browsers. You can download it, and I'm going to start a new studio project. So the new window will pop up over here, and it contains the application name, so I'm going to keep it as calculator, and the company name. So this company name comes in the package. So if you want to change the package name over here, you can just change the company name over here. So even you can include the C++ support, and if you want, you can change the location where your project want to be stored. If you want to store any other way, you can change it over here. So I'm going to choose next, and here you will get the select the form factors your app will run on. Like you can run it on phones and tablets, even you can run on TV if you want TV, Android, glass, anything. I'm just taking it for the phone and tablet because normally the calculators are used in the phones itself. So here you have many options, you can select any one. I'm going to keep you can have many, you can even keep I'm going to keep Jelly Bean, that's a 4.1, and click on next. So here you have different types of activities. So now since I'm going to create a calculator, I'm going to keep it as empty activity because it's really easy to develop, and there's no need of changing the name. It will be easy if you don't change the name for the next thing, and click on the finish button. So here you have initializing the module. So here the tip, you can see that it's starting over here. So I have the two packages over here. The activity to write the code for the program, and this is main.xml. So over here this is used to create the like how you want your calculator to be, so you can create it over here. So now it's giving me an error that there's a problem in my app theme. So if you get such an error, just click on the app theme and click on device default. So you have, so I've got my default. If you want, you can zoom it. So you have hello world over here. You can delete it from here, text view, and delete. So now you can see the calculator over here. This is just an output, like you can see there how it looks. There are two types of designing. Here you have different types of widgets like text view, button, toggle button, checkbox, radio button, and this there are many other widgets, and you can add the widgets from here. Or the second way of adding the widgets is like you can write the code for the widget. So I prefer design instead of code because code takes a lot of time to type, and for design you can drag and drop. It's really easy. So this is relative layout. So I'm going to add buttons, that is 16 buttons required by my calculator. So first button, you need to know the exact placement so that it will fit over here. So and keep note while that this is a relative layout. So you can see that I've added 4 buttons over here in a row. So place it as it is in the over here, like till 4 rows. So you can add it over here. So you can see that there's so I have finished placing all the buttons over here. So now it's time to rename this button. So keep note that if you just change even a single button from here, it's going to change the entire line. Like if you want to drag it down, sometimes you can, sometimes it changes, so sometimes it won't. So now here there is a place you can add ads over here, which you can run in your mobile, in your application. You can add ads that I'm going to tell you later how to add ads in your program. So this is the basic. So now if you go to the text object already with the coding, that's because it generates auto code while you drag and drop. So now you require two text view buttons. One is for result and other one is for inserting. So this you need to change the width to match parent of these both, and then you zoom it. So I'm going to drag it for the entire screen, so you can see that both have been dragged. So now it's time to change the name of all these buttons. So I'm going to take this button 9. So now you can see that I have placed all the buttons over here and filled it. So this you can change. Now you need to change this ID from button to short form, so that it will be really easy to write codes in Java. So I'm going to change this as btn9. If you want, you can even copy this btn, so it will be really easy, and change all the numbers according to it. Only the numbers you need to change. And last, this will update XML reference and Java reference. So click on don't ask again during this session and click on yes, and change this to everything like 8 and all the numbers. So now we have finished changing the ID of all the buttons, and now it's going to give error if you keep this like this. So you need to change this, like you delete this and even delete this. So this is what you need to do in your first step. So in my next step I'm going to show you how to code in the main activity.java. So here there are two codes that will need to be added for the working of your calculators. So I'm going to show you that in my next video. So if you want to get updates on how to create any apps on Android, please subscribe my channel, and also click on the bell button so that you won't miss any important notifications about Android Studio or about any other apps or about any other video which I'm going to be uploading in my future, so that you will get all the benefits from my channel. Thank you.